Music Outdoors and Naughty for Birdies is a youth birding group. We are at the Rios Wetlands on the Pacific Flyway.
Can you show us? Okay.
Today we went bird watching. We learned about wetlands and we learned about the parts of wetlands.
What kind of birds did we see today?
Red-winged blackbirds and great blue herons and white-eared egrets and whatever the heck that is.
And cormorant.
And cormorants and
What other kinds of
keeps making that noise.
What other kinds of critters did we see?
We found a red-eared slider female and a rat, and we found bullfrogs.
Alright.
And a lizard.
During spring migration, many songbirds, shorebirds, hummingbirds, and large birds like pelicans, vultures, and birds of prey make their way over Arizona. Some stay in Arizona to breed. Large birds migrate during the day, but songbirds migrate at nighttime. Large birds have broad wings that allow them to soar and glide on updrafts and columns of rising warm air known as thermals. Instead of having to flap their wings hour after hour each day, they simply ride thermals, expending very little energy as they migrate. However, songbirds time in their migration flights to coincide with the coolest time of the day, after the sun has set. Exactly. And when the windy daytime conditions give way to calm, cool nights. This strategy allows songbirds to avoid overheating and helps them avoid strong headwinds, which would burn a lot of calories that are needed for their whole migration adventure. Some of the songbirds and hummingbirds that migrate to or through Arizona include rufous hummingbird, red-naped sapsucker, Pacific slope flycatchers, brown-crested flycatcher, cassins, and warbling vireos, violet green and barn swallows, blue-gray gnatcatchers, ruby-crowned kinglet, American robin, setter waxwing. Some of the larger birds that migrate to or through Arizona include the turkey vulture, osprey, pelican, and Swainson's hawk. Some shorebirds that migrate to or through Arizona include white-faced ibis, Wilson's paralope, and green heron.
This wetland provides a water source, food source, and shaded area from hot sun. Some birds stay in AZ to breed, while others travel further into northern areas of America and sometimes even Canada and Russia. The birds that migrate to or through AZ come from South America, Central America, and Mexico.
No, right, go.
What challenges do birds face? How many miles/kilometers do they travel each year? Rising temperatures, predators, tall buildings, lights. Birds can travel thousands of miles each year during migration. The rufous hummingbird, for example, travels 3,000 miles 2 times a year, back and forth in migration. How humans can help birds, especially migratory birds in this instance. Well, disturb them, provide food sources, provide water sources, such as the wetlands we're at right now, keep cats indoors. Feral cats are horrible, they're decimating wild bird populations. Place stickers on windows so they don't ram into it. Turn off lights and on tall buildings, because I'm guessing like moths, they kind of go towards that. Care for our natural areas, like the wetland we're in right now.
And don't litter.
Don't litter. Keep it clean. Don't cut down trees and make giant messes.
Where'd all our trash go? Here, I'll videotape the trash. All the trash we collected.